Hey everyone, this is Ian Hari. So we're on the train that's going up the mountain. This is a special one, and it's Jungfrau. So it's going up to Jungfrau, right?
The highest train station in Europe.
The highest train in Europe. We're going up to the high. There's a special part on the track that's called a little chain, right, Daddy?
Yeah. It uses it to get up the hill.
Right. It uses it to get up the hill, and without that, the train will keep rolling, and that would be a big issue. We're in the tunnel.
We evacuated for it driving back on 75. We got back just before it closed to all off, but there were people on the side of the road with kayaks.
Yeah, but I've been hit by that one.
Herzlich willkommen zur außergewöhnlichsten Bergfahrt. Noch 1134 Höhenmeter und Sie stehen auf dem Jungfraujoch, Top of Europe. Dort erwartet Sie eine ansehnliche Welt aus Eis und Schnee mit zahlreichen Highlights. Zuerst aber gibt Ihnen ein Zwischenhalt in der Station Eismeer die Möglichkeit, Ihr persönliches Erinnerungsbild vom ewigen Eis zu machen. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine angenehme Fahrt.
A warm welcome to the most extraordinary uphill journey in the Alps. Another 1,134 meters of altitude between you and the Jungfraujoch, top of Europe. A unique world of ice and snow awaits you with numerous highlights. But first of all, a stopover at the Eismeer station gives you the opportunity to take your own souvenir image of the perennial ice. We wish you a pleasant trip.
Bienvenue à l'excursion la plus extraordinaire des Alpes. Seulement 1134 mètres de dénivelé et vous vous trouvez sur le Jungfraujoch, Top of Europe. Un monde unique de glace et de neige vous attend avec de nombreux points forts. Mais avant tout, un arrêt intermédiaire à la station Eismeer vous donne l'occasion de prendre votre propre photo souvenir des glaces hivernales. Nous vous souhaitons un agréable voyage. Le damos una cálida bienvenida al trayecto de ascenso más increíble de los Alpes, otros 1134 metros de altitud, y nos separan de Jungfraujoch, Top of Europe, donde le espera un mundo único de hielo y nieve con numerosos puntos de interés. Pero primero, una parada en la estación Eismeer le brindará la oportunidad de llevarse su propia imagen de recuerdo del hielo perenne. Le deseamos un buen viaje.
Benvenuti al più straordinario viaggio nelle Alpi. Un cammino 134 metri di troverete sullo Jungfraujoch, Top of Europe. Lì vi aspetta un mondo unico fatto di ghiaccio e neve con numerosi punti di interesse. Prima però ci fermeremo alla stazione di Eismeer, così da darvi la possibilità di scattare la vostra personalissima foto ricordo dei ghiacci perenni. Vi auguriamo un piacevole viaggio. 알프스에서 가장 특별한 오르막길에 오르신 여러분 환영합니다. 유럽에서 융프라우요흐로 오르막길은 1134m의 사상 어디에서 비가 여러분을 기다리고 있습니다. 하지만 그전엔 잠시 정지하고 아이스메어 여기 아이스의 공간을 배경으로 특별한 기념사진을 남기실 수 있습니다. 즐거운 여행 되시길 바랍니다.
本日はユングフラウ鉄道にご乗車いただき、ありがとうございます。最高峰の鉄道駅、ユングフラウヨッホ、東部ヨーロッパまで高低差1134メートルの登山鉄道の旅をお楽しみください。途中、トンネル内にある中間駅、アイスメアで5分間停車いたします。電車を降りて、
So Rory screwed up on the last one, otherwise he would have won the US Open. Yeah, I guess the guy from
应该需要攀升1134米才能到达黄州五级以上。这里有独一无二的冰雪世界和众多的亮点带着你。列车会在滨海站短暂停留，可以让你有机会拍下这片常年冰雪的高山冰川世界留作纪念。
Yes.
Oh, now you like him again? Like those. Okay.
So 3 adults and one child.
Yeah.
Where do you come from?
We Grindelwald in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yeah, U.S.
So they had problems with the ticket machine, and then they printed it up for us at their office.
The ticket
Thank
machine
you.
we got them from was not printing tickets. Yeah.
All right. Wow.
So 5 children.
When choosing your way, forget what they say.
Just hold it.
Focus on actions, don't follow distractions. So stay on course, never stop. That's the way to the top. If you change everything, you'll just lose your way. Keep running and stick to plan A.
So this cautionary tale means on the back. Brothers are pissed.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll just move it. He was standing here where my foot was, so I moved my foot here, and then he told me to take my foot off the seat. We're from Florida. Sunshine.
All aboard the Jungfrau Railway. Trains like this one carry 1 million passengers per year to Europe's highest railway station. And APU technology has been a part of this journey for more than a century. What can we say? We just love doing difficult things, like carving a railway out of a mountainside, or yodelay, 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 or tap dancing. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. It's nice you get a trip to see too.